डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू सोना गुप्ता प्रॉपर्टीज़। और मैं विनोद गुप्ता रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट बोल रहा हूँ। और टुडे आई एम इन बॉम्बे, जस्ट केम टू सी ए 2 BHK फ्लैट which cost around 1 crore 80 lakh rupees, and I'm just showing you the map of this. You can see the entrance of this. This is the entrance, this is the outer gate, this is the main gate. This is the lock-in. Now I'm just showing you the flat that is 2 BHK. You can well see the flat, you can see the balcony. This is the drawing room, you can well see the drawing room into this. I'm just taking you outside for the balconies. These are small balconies where you can fit your ACs, and this is the outer view from where you can see the outer Bombay. Just see these high-rise buildings, greenery also. Along with this, there you can place your washing machine, and this is what you have for your kitchen. Just try to see the kitchen, how beautifully it is designed, how beautifully it is manufactured in such a small space. These are all the boxes where you can put your additional kitchen equipments. Just see, these are the drawers. I'm showing you everything one by one so that you can have a feel of the flat which is there as a 2 BHK in Bombay, which cost around 1 crore 80 lakh rupees to 2.25 CR. I'm just showing you to compare the pricing in Delhi and Bombay. You can see the balcony this side also. In kitchen also you have a small balcony. I'm just opening it for you. You can have a view of this. Just feel it. This is Bombay. You can close it this way. Now see everything. See the kitchen's space that has been taken out in very small portions beautifully. Now I'll take you to one of the bedrooms. Just see the bedroom. This is the entry. Further you have everything. You have AC attached to this. You can see this. You have, just see the beautification of the almirah and the cupboard, that space they have taken out. Just see this, feel it. You can have it in Delhi also, but I'm feeling it most beautifully designed in small space. You can see the outer Bombay again from this balcony. These are all glass covered balconies, and this is the almirah. You can feel it. I'll show you inside also. Just feel it, how beautifully things are designed. You have the mirrors into this. You need not go for additional. You have everything attached, everything into this. Further you have one more room. Just see it, the other room. This is one more bedroom. Just see the design of the almirah. The small almirah they have taken out in this small space also. Just see how beautifully things have been placed. Just see the depth of this, so small depth but so beautifully designed. Again you have this side other building. This is the TV. You can have it, everything attached into this. You can feel the other bathroom into this. This is what so beautifully designed. Such a small space, beautifully designed. You have the puja room into a drawing. You have this, the other bathroom, two bathrooms. That is, one is attached, the other is common bathroom. Just see everything fitted in a nicely. This is what I am closing for the other bathroom. 2 bathrooms. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm just comparing the flats that we have in Bombay and the Delhi. Bombay pricing is in posh areas, smaller areas 1 crore 80 lakh to 2.5 cr, and Delhi you are getting for 30, 40, 50 lakh rupees. Thank you for watching. Just compare the price. Get in touch with Sona Gupta Properties. Thank you.